This is our completely standard multi-keep box. We have about 700 different things that you can get printed or engraved on the lid, including your own name. But if you don't really care about that and you want just the lowest cost option, this is it, because it's so simple. If you want to see what it's like on the inside, they're all the same. So whether you buy this one or a more expensive one, you're going to get moving walls. Move however you like. And that gives you hundreds of different configurations for how your box can work. Originally this was designed as a tea box, but we have so many different lid options because there's just an infinite number of applications for this, whether you want a gift box, a cosmetics box, just hundreds of toy boxes. There's just lots and lots of different uses for it. That's why we call it the box for everyone with things. As an added bonus, it's got dovetail joints on the edges, which is much more sturdy than if it's nailed or glued in, which is what you see a lot of times in cheaply made boxes. Also, we have 100% solid bottom, and this is important because a lot of people will put out a box that is like a plastic bottom that will fall apart more easily and just feels cheaper. This has a solid, sturdy feel about it. It's made out of 100% solid, sustainable bamboo, so it's very environmentally friendly, and it is a great multi-keep box.